Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and if this is your first time stopping by, hey girly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you find this video interesting and you find me to be your vibe, because sis is definitely a vibe up in here. Okay, now that we got the meet and greet out the way, not meet and greet, you know sis is a mess. That's why I'm definitely your vibe, okay? Now that we got that out the way, we do have a luxury unboxing, and this unboxing is so way overdue. I purchased this item, not I purchased it, but my husband purchased this item back when we went to New York for my birthday, and it's way overdue. And let me give you the backstory on this item. Now, I had this in my closet, and my closet is not real huge. It's a compact closet, and sis shares. So you just imagine, okay? Just imagine. So all my stuff is not on display, which I wish I had that closet, and soon it will be. Everything is not on display, so things can get lost in there if I buy too much stuff. And that's exactly what happened with this item. But nevertheless, and what it is I've been collecting these items for a while now, but sis is trying to rock all of this summer, okay? It's definitely a vibe over here. So with that being said, let's get into this video. So that video that you saw, I had to take you guys back from when I went to New York for my birthday. Yeah, we had to rewind so that we could end up right here with the luxury unboxing. Anywho, so here's the unboxing. But first, I have a couple of other ones that I had in my closet that I wanted to go through first to let you know, show you what I've been collecting probably over the years, past couple of months, and what I'm going heavy on this summer. And you girls probably going heavy too on it as well, because I first started purchasing them for my bags, to dress my bags up. And what they are is bandos, scarves, bandos, bandanas, however you want to word it. That's what I have. So let's get into the first item. So the first item I have is this one. And I bought this one from Walmart. And I kind of like this one. Now I have a bodysuit that is this color, and my MCM pocketbook will go with this as well. So I would definitely, and I'm gonna give you guys a little fashion show and Fashion Inspo, because you already know how sis do. So I can show you how you can rock the scarves, and there's many ways you can rock these scarves, these bandos, okay, on your head. But here's the first one. Let's get into the second one. So here's the second one. Now I purchased this one. I think I got this from Amazon. Amazon got everything, okay, sis? This is not an Amazon video, but Amazon got everything. And sis is coming with an Amazon video, so make sure you stay tuned to that. But here's this one. I thought this one was super cute. It's yellow and it's black. And it's a reverse side, and it has, two sides to it. Now, I prefer this side. I like both sides, actually. They both are cute. But here's this one that I got from Amazon. Fold this one up. And then I don't know if I say I got this one from Walmart. Walmart had this one. I don't really care for it at times because you got to bend it all the way up. And yeah, sometimes it gives you a, Okay? Sister ain't got that kind of time. Now here's the other one. I have a pink one, and the pink one is the same as the black one. The black and yellow. So here's the pink one. And this one also is reverse side, pink and brown, which I love together. I love those colors together. So here's that one. Super cute, super cute. And all these came from Amazon. These are cute. And the quality is good. I mean, I think I paid, I don't know how much, $12 versus $200, $300. Okay, you do the math. And here's this one. This one is more like a purplish, probably purplish pink, maybe not purplish pink, probably like a royal purple, a royal blue rather, I'm sorry. And then on the reverse side, let me put these down. Put those right there. And on the reverse side is the same thing as the other two. I just thought these were super cute. And they look expensive. They look like they money, okay? You wonder why sis going heavy on this. And yeah, I had these for my pocketbook to dress my pocketbook up for the little knickknacks that go in your pocketbook. I think, and it comes in this bag from Amazon. So it comes in this bag, and I think it comes with a thank you card. I left one closed because it didn't make sense for me to open all of them, and they all look the same. So let me take this one out so you girls can see how it comes from Amazon. And this one is the red one. But here it comes. Here's the happy card, I guess, for thank you. And here's the bag, just in case you was trying to give it as a gift. Because these could definitely be gifts, birthday gifts for people. Open this one up. Yep. And I have, this one is the red one. I think, oh wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is super cute. Super pretty. Super pretty. The reverse side, the blue side. This is super cute. Super cute. Now let's get into the other ones. Now this one, I think this was my first purchase that I got from Louis Vuitton for these scarves. These bandos. But here's this one. Now I think I had this for over 2 years now. Wasn't really rocking them on my bag because where I live at, it's not much to do but to work and come home. So it's not until I go away, probably to DC, definitely NY, definitely Miami. It's not until I go to all those places that I wear my stuff. So there's no need to buy a whole bunch of stuff at one time because this ain't gonna be wearing it. It's gonna get lost just like this one did, right in that little compact closet that me and my husband share. Okay? Don't judge me. Let's get into the next one. Here's the next one that I have. It's brown. I have the brown one. I just thought this was super cute too. And some of you girls already probably have this. I'm just showing you that I'm going super heavy on it this year for this summer. I think these are so cute. And I think it's a vibe for this summer. I think it's becoming a true trend. So I got mine already ready. Here's the other one. Now I have the blue one as well. These are just super adorable. Super adorable. It's the blue one. Super cute. Don't forget, I'm going to style them, so stick around so you can see how I style them for some Fashion Inspo. Just in case you guys was like, I don't know how I can wear it. I don't know how I can wear it. Now, these can be worn multiple ways on your head. The way I want to wear it is the way that I'm going to go heavy this summer on it. If you wear it a different way on your head, you change the look of your outfit. So keep that in mind as well. So I'm going for more casual, girly, comfy look because sis ain't got time for no wig on her head, hot as crap, okay? Sis want her hair to the back and keep it moving. And I want something on top of my head just to keep, yeah, okay? Keep it moving. I got so much stuff over here. Now, even with this, the new one, I didn't forgot which color I have. I think it's the brown one, but I forgot which one it is. So it's going to be a surprise to me just as well as it's a surprise to you. I tried to look for the receipt. The receipt is inside the box because it's not in the bag. So I don't know where the receipt is at. I'm thinking that it's inside the bag. So I tried to look to see which one it was, and I couldn't find it. And now here's this one. Here's the Gucci one. I don't really care for the Gucci one because how thin it is. But once I saw these, I was like, oh yeah, I'm liking it. And then the Gucci one, you know, each one is a reverse side. So you get 2 scarves in one. And that's what I like about these scarves too. All of them. Because you get 2 scarves in one, which is a great deal, okay? And I don't know how much, I forgot how much this one was. I think this one might have been $125, I think. I'm not sure. These are cheaper than the Louis Vuitton. This might have been $200. So actually it's all the same price. It's all around the same price. But this one, $6. This one is $12. Okay? $12. And they have all different kinds. So make sure you hit Amazon up. All different kinds. I'm going to get a little closer so you guys can see maybe the quality of the scarf. It's no different. I tell you, it's no different. And you would have never known because once I style them, you're going to see, and you would never know that they came from Amazon because that's how sis too. Now, I think that's it for those. Now, let's get into this unboxing. Let's get into this unboxing. And then after the unboxing, I'm going to style these items. So here's the box. It comes in this box right here. So here it is. Let me fix it up. The girl I follow, Sydney, she always goes, "Come down." I think that's so cute. So let's get into the unboxing. I follow her on YouTube. So, and I'll put her handle down below because she does a lot of luxury items unboxing. So you might want to go follow her because she be having the stuff. Okay? But here it is. Here's the receipt. Told you the receipt was in here. It comes with the receipt. I'm not going to go through the receipt. Let me see how much this one was. Okay, this one was $210. Which came up to $228 when it's all said and done. The damages. Let me just stick this in here. And they got the Louis Vuitton sticker there. Aha! Oh! Ooh! So, here's what it looked like. I'm going to take it out. So I have another brown one, and I thought this one had a little bit of pink inside. So this one has the black on the ends. I thought this one was super duper cute. Now I put my outfit on for this one so that I can show you how I'm going to style it. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I thought this was super cute. It got all the little flower things on it. Yeah, I'm not wearing this on her bag, okay? Yeah, sis is definitely wearing this on her head. So, here's all my stuff. Now, let's get into the styling. So this first fit that I have on is all black. So you guys know that I love all black fits. And I'm rocking my Speedy bag with it, with the bandana that we just unboxed. And I have on my Louis shoes and some spandex leggings. Now this outfit I definitely will wear to brunch, and you guys know some brunches go up into 6 o'clock. You definitely don't want to wear all black at 12 o'clock. Okay, sis? Let's get that clear, because you will fall out, okay? You want to be cute, but you don't want to fall, okay? But let's just get into this look. I just thought this look was super cute, super stylish, but yet comfy and yet simple. Very simple. And when you wear the bandana around your head like this, you make it look more casual, but yet comfy and also cute. And I'm looking over here in my mirror, so if you see me looking, that's what I'm looking at, towards that end. Let's just get into this look. So this next look I have, I'm wearing the pink bandana that I told you guys I got from Amazon. And I have my pink vinyl pants. You don't want to wear these in the heat of the day, sis. You're gonna fall out, okay? You need to wear this when the sun goes down and it's a little cool outside. And I'm rocking my makeup case, and I have on my white shoes and a white bodysuit. So let's just get into this look. Last look I have is a black bodysuit I'm rocking, and I'm rocking one of the headbands, the yellow and black one that I showed you guys that I got from Amazon. And I have my Speedy again, the same accessories. I have my Louis belt, and I have some black wide leg pants. Told you wide leg pants is definitely in. Now this outfit I definitely would wear on a calm night, dinner date with my husband or with my girls. I will go out to dinner, I will eat and look cute, okay? So let's get into this look. That was super cute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel, because this is definitely your vibe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put my handle down at below, and I see you girls on the next uploading video. See you later.
My thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds.